Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many of you face with Cash App, the NFC Tag Detected notification. This can be frustrating, especially if you're not sure what means, how to resolve it. Let's dive in and explore the solution. So what does NFC Tag Detected mean? It refers to near field communication technology used for contactless payments. Your Cash App card is equipped with NFC, allowing you to make payments by tapping it on a reader. However, sometimes this feature can trigger unwanted notifications. Solution number one. To fix this issue, first ensure your phone and Cash App card are kept apart. Try to maintain a distance of at least 10 cm between them to prevent accidental NFC detection. Solution 2. Next, open the Cash App, go to Settings, then Security, and toggle off the option for NFC tag detection. You might need to enter your PIN for transactions. Solution number 3. If the issue persists, check your device's NFC settings. Go to your phone setting, find the NFC option, and toggle it off temporarily. This will prevent your phone from reading NFC tags. Solution 4. Consider using a NFC-proof wallet or case. This adds an extra layer of security by blocking unwanted NFC interactions. Solution 5. Ensure you're using the latest version of Cash App and it has the necessary NFC permission on your device. Check for updates in the App Store to verify permissions in your device settings. If none of these solutions work, you might want to reach out to Cash App support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and problem solving videos. If you have any questions or other tech issues you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next one.